Normally this would be just all pretty dry grass, but today, at least the Canadians are out here, the geese that are. There's, probably about 50 Canadian geese. They're enjoying the rain as we speak. Must be good for them. God only knows. But you can see the water's flowing. My weather dog here is predicting more rain for the rest of the day. Right, kitty cat? Tonyeth. Kitty cat says, I'm not chasing those geese. That I may be your weather companion, but we're not going out chasing geese. Tone, not unless we're going to roast one in the oven. Tone, I would love some roast goose. Meow? Meow meow? We're live. For what it's worth, on this Friday the 13th, 2017. Tony, you dummy, you forgot my raincoat. Remember, you didn't want to wear one.